Okay, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and we are offering a KZ900 LTD chassis with a title. We pulled a 1000 motor out of it. The rear brake works, the front brake needs rebuilt. Got the original, looks like it's got the original bars, original lever assemblies, original speedo. This is not the original tack, as you can see the bluish green right here. A little bit later tack. Oh, it's off a 650 probably because it's got the red on the arrow. Headlight bucket looks pretty good. Got the air caps. Tires are okay-ish. The brake rotors seem pretty cool. You still got the nice steel lines here. That's for the early one. Mostly intact. Looks like it's got all the genuine cables. Still got the ribbed boot here at the master cylinder. It's a dual disc master cylinder. You got the key, which works ignition, as well as the seat lock. The rear wheel is complete with the sprocket, right spacers, and everything else. Got the pegs on it and everything. This would be the start of something really nice. Plus, it comes with a Ohio title from us to you. The start of something very nice. We're going to be offering here on eBay. So, good luck, and we hope you like it. We can ship it to Vintage Days in 2018 if you so desire. So, nice chassis. Thanks a lot.